How to pay with the Google Pay on Temu. Now, the very first thing that you want to do, if you go ahead and open up your Temu app and log into your Temu account, you simply head over directly into the View tab. From here at the top right hand corner, you should see the gear icon, which will redirect you to your account settings. From here, go directly into your payment methods. So most of the time, or some of the users are able to just simply link their Google Play account using or adding the payment methods directly from Temu account. However, if that option is not available for you, what you want to do is just to simply go into your payment section where you start paying for the certain product that you'd like to buy. And from there, just simply change the payment method into Google Play and just ensure that you have sufficient amount of fund that you have from your Google Pay so that you can start and make that payment. And that is how you pay with Google Play on Temu.